So, keyword here is graph it. You guys did a lot of work and then a lot of students just forgot to graph it. So the first step, if I want to graph this line right here, I want to get y alone. So I have x minus 2y is equal to 4. So if I want to isolate my y variable, I'm going to subtract x to both sides. So I have negative 2y is equal to negative x plus 4. And then divide by negative 2. Sorry for the sirens in the background. Hope everyone's okay. Okay, so now y is equal to, here I have, it's like an invisible 1 in front of that x. So it's like negative 1 divided by negative 2. That gives me 1/2 x. 4 divided by negative 2 gives me a negative 2. So this is one of my lines. A lot of students just box this answer. I'm looking to graph it. So this is my y-intercept. And this is my slope. So I start at my y-intercept. I start at the negative 2. Now from my y-intercept, not at the origin, from my y-intercept, I'm going to rise 1 and run 2. I can do that as many times as I want. Rise 1, run 2. So this is my line. Now I have the next one. 2x plus y is equal to negative 7. I want to get y alone so I can easily see my y-intercept and my slope. So subtract 2x to both sides. And I get y is equal to negative 2x minus 7. Now notice that I purposefully put the negative 2x first and then the minus 7. You can put negative 7 minus 2x, but I just get in the habit of putting my x first because I know that this is my y-intercept and this is my slope. And I can think of this as negative 2 over 1, so it's easier for me to think of rise over run. So I start at negative 7, and I'm going to go down to the right 1. Down to the right 1. Or I can do the opposite. I can put the negative on the 1. So that means I go up to the left 1. It doesn't matter which order you go. Up to the left 1. So when you graph these two, it didn't ask for the solution. Just said graph. However, if we wanted the solution, then we know the solution is the intersection point, which would be x is negative 2 and y is negative 3.